Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the donation sticker on Instagram story. So let's start. First of all, you have to log into your Instagram account and then go to your home page. In this section, simply click on your story option on the top left corner of your Instagram. And here you just simply select camera and then you just simply click a picture or upload a picture. It's up to you. So I'm just taking a picture. After taking a picture, you just simply swipe up and in the search bar you just type donation, and here you just select the one sticker which you would like to select. So I want to select this one, and here you just simply adjust that, and that's it. Now you will be able to use the donation sticker on Instagram story. I hope this video is beneficial for you. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe our channel.